Manifest your dream life in just 5 minutes, a step-by-step guide. Did you know that in just 5 minutes, you can tap into the energy of the universe to attract what you've always desired? It's true. Whether it's love, success, or financial abundance, this simple yet powerful manifestation technique will guide you step by step. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a tool that could change your life forever. Step 1. Be clear about what you want. Manifestation starts with clarity. Think of the one thing you want to manifest right now. Take a deep breath and focus. Is it a new job? A loving partner? Improved health? Remember, the universe can't deliver if you're sending mixed signals. Write it down if it helps. Something like, I am grateful for my thriving career, or I am in a healthy, loving relationship. Now, pause this video if you need a moment to write or reflect. When you're ready, we'll move on to the next step. Step 2. See it as already yours. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools in manifestation. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already living your dream. What does it feel like? What do you see, hear, or smell? For example, if you're manifesting a new home, picture yourself walking through its beautiful rooms. If it's love, imagine laughing and sharing special moments with your partner. Don't just think about it, feel it. Joy, gratitude, excitement, these emotions are the fuel that powers your manifestation. Step 3. Affirm your dream. Now that you've visualized your dream, it's time to give it life with your words. Speak affirmations that align with your desire. For example, I am worthy of love. I am successful and abundant. Or, I attract opportunities effortlessly. Say it out loud with confidence. Repetition is key. The more you affirm your desire, the more you reprogram your subconscious mind to attract it. Step 4. Align your actions. Manifestation isn't just about thoughts, it's also about action. What steps can you take today to align with your dream? If you're manifesting a new career, update your resume or network with people in your field. If it's love, put yourself in a place where you can meet new people. The universe rewards those who take inspired action. Even small steps can create momentum towards your goal. Step 5. Trust the process. Here's the most important step. Let go and trust. Release any doubts or desperation. When you obsess over the outcome, you create resistance. Instead, act as if your desire is already on its way to you. Trust the universe to handle the details. Gratitude can help. Thank the universe in advance for delivering your dream, and go about your day with faith and confidence. Your manifestation journey starts now. Manifestation is about energy, belief, and trust. This 5-minute technique can become a daily practice that transforms your life. Remember, clarity, visualization, affirmations, action, and trust. It's a simple formula with profound results. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to join our community of manifestors. Let's create magic together.